In this video, we will learn how to find out the tax multiplier. The question is, given the national income identity as y is equal to C naught plus C bracket y minus t plus I plus g, where C naught denotes the autonomous consumption that does not depend upon the level of income. This small c denotes the marginal propensity to consume, y denotes the income, t denotes the tax, I denotes the investment, and g denotes the government rate. In a closed economy, we have to find how big is the tax multiplier, okay, given this national income identity in a closed economy. By closed economy, what we mean, when we have no imports or exports, we say the economy is closed, okay. So let's find out how to derive the tax multiplier. Options are being given, we need to find out the correct option, okay. So let's write the income, that is y is equal to this income identity model, y is equal to C naught plus C y minus t plus I plus g. This is our national income identity, okay. So let us first solve this further. So we can write y is equal to C naught plus C times y. Then we have c into minus t is minus ct. Then we have plus I plus g, okay. This is our national income identity. I have simplified it a little bit. Now if I transpose the y terms to LHS, so what will I get? So we have y, here we have plus cy. Let us transpose it here, it becomes minus cy, okay, should be equal to C naught. Then we have minus ct plus I plus g, okay. We can do one thing here, and let me do it here for you. So let us take y common. If I take y common, we will be left with 1 minus c, okay. Then we have here C naught minus c times t plus I plus g, okay. Then what we do, we divide both sides by 1 minus c, okay. Let us divide both sides by 1 minus c, and let me divide it here. Dividing both sides by 1 minus c, let us denote it by divided by 1 minus c here, and also we divide by 1 minus c on the right hand side, okay. What happens then? And here you can see this 1 minus c and 1 minus c gets cancelled. So y will be equal to, so our y is equal to C naught divided by 1 minus c, then we have minus ct divided by 1 minus c plus I divided by 1 minus c plus g divided by 1 minus c, okay. Now we have to find out the tax multiplier, okay. What will be the tax multiplier in this case? So let me write it here. Tax multiplier that we are supposed to find. So tax multiplier will be equal to the change in the income due to the change in the taxes, okay. That gives us the tax multiplier. That means we need to differentiate this function partially with respect to, and let me use the specific what we call the partial symbol here, okay. So it will be like this. It will be del y upon del t, okay. That means we partially differentiate this function with respect to t. So since no t is involved in the first term, its derivative is 0. It is assumed to be constant. In the second term, what we get, the derivative of t is 1, so we are left with minus c divided by 1 minus c, okay. And here in the third and fourth term, since no t is involved, so the derivative will be obviously equal to 0. So this gives us the tax multiplier, okay. It simply shows us the change in the income due to the change in the taxes should be equal to minus times what is c, marginal propensity to consume, upon 1 minus marginal propensity to consume. And we can rewrite it like this: the change in the income due to the change in the taxes will be equal to minus MPC divided by 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS, okay. If we know the thing, that is the marginal propensity to consume plus marginal propensity to save is equal to 1. So this gives us 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS. Okay, so we got the answer here. I was just trying to explain other step here. Okay, so in a closed economy, we are given national income identity to find out the magnitude, rather how big is the tax multiplier. We have derived the national income identity. We have derived the tax multiplier from the given national income identity. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out this video helpful. Thank you.